Hello everybody, welcome back to day 4. Today I'm doing a wintry snow day card using the snow day stamp set. This card was inspired by the tag that Jamie made for the design team a couple months back. I'm also going to be using Christmas Town, which is a Christmas paper pad, but there's lots of papers in there that you can continue to use throughout the winter. I almost said window, throughout the winter. So I encourage you to look through your paper pads and see what you can use up before packing them away for the season. I'm really trying to use more of what I have instead of just storing it in my craft room. So I encourage you to do the same if you choose. So I'm changing up the background just a little bit. Jamie used purples in hers, but I wanted to use pink because there was pink in the paper that I'm going to be using. So I'm using Worn lipstick, and the lightest color is the Tumbled Glass, and then I'm going in just lightly with the Salty Ocean around the edges, and I'm going to blend that in. You can see I just cut my own little stencil there using my scissors to mark out the snow. I had made that original circle a little bit larger than I needed, knowing that I wanted to cut it out with a stitch circle die. So here's the pattern paper that I'm using. It's super cute. I am using a stitched rectangle for the snowman pattern, and then I'm using a tag die for the snowflake pattern. Very simple card, really quick to create, and I think it's an adorable winter scene card, especially for those of your friends or family in your life who love snow or snowmen. So I just laid down that piece of pattern paper on the back of the card, and I'm going to pop up the tag on some fun foam. So I'm just kind of bringing that to the edge so that I can cut that and get the most out of this scrap piece of fun foam that I had. I'm going to adhere that with some double-sided tape. So I'm going to put that on both sides. I'm going to adhere this down to the tag first. That will give it a little bit of dimension off of the card. I am going to add some ribbon so it will help balance the height of the tag with the ribbon. I'm just going to peel that up quickly and center that on my card. I am going to bring it down just a little bit to leave room for the ribbon. I thought maybe I was going to have the circle a little bit off to the left side of the tag, but when I got it onto the tag, I thought it looked a little funny, so I'm just going to center that up. I'm going to add my little snowman here from the Snowball, is it the Snowball Fight? I think the stamp set actually is. I just keep calling it Snow Day because the sentiment is Snow Day. But this little one is so cute. So you see I cut my stamp so that I could have it on a vertical line. And I'm going to stamp that on some white cardstock here with my Versafine Black Onyx ink. And then I'm going to cut that out with a fishtail banner die. This is from MFT Blueprints, the one that you see me use all the time. I didn't quite know at this point where I wanted to have my sentiment. I was trying to figure out if I wanted it underneath the circle, if I wanted to keep it that long. In the end, I decided to cut it down, and I'm going to put it to the left-hand side underneath the snowman. He's so cute. I love his little face, and he looks so cute juggling the snowballs. I love how Jamie did that for the little tags. So to finish off, I'm using some American Crafts ribbon from my stash, and I'm just adhering that with a giant glue dot, and I think that just adds a little bit of pretty glitter to the card. Off camera, I went back and used some frosted lace stickles on the snowballs and the snowmen and where the snow meets the sky, and that just gave it some extra glitter. So that's the card for today. I'll see you back tomorrow for the final day. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.